Now, the easiest version, I reserve this one for last, and you'll be amazed how simple it is.
What if each day could be amazing? What if you and I are the perfect equation to turn outcomes that are unfavored to a million reasons for celebrating?
Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy Juliet, and today I'll be teaching you how to flat twist in 3 different ways. It's super easy, super beginner friendly. By the way, I've got a cold, so my voice is a bit like, but it's fine. I just hope you all understand me, and yeah. So this flat twist tutorial is 3 different ways, super beginner friendly. Don't worry, it has none of those complicated index finger stuff. No, it's super easy. So I have stretched my hair with a previous flat twist, but then I combed it out because I wanted it to have more volume, but it's still shrunken, but it's well detangled, so I don't need to re-moisturize or detangle as I'm doing this. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So let me go ahead to part my hair and we shall begin. Okay, first of all, the first thing you want to make sure of is that your hair is fully detangled so that you wouldn't have much stress with having to have tangled ends as you're flat twisting. So the first way that we're going to flat twist out of 3 ways is we're going to flat twist backwards. And all you need to do is brush your hair, detangle properly. I've already done that. And then you take your thumb and then you part. Okay, so depending on how you want your twist to lay. So I don't want it too small. I want it like really chunky because I'm just going to do like 4 flat twists, and it's honestly it's good enough for me. I don't really have to do the really slim ones because I want my hair voluminous. I don't want it too tight, and I don't want it too shrunken and, you know, with smaller twists. So you take your thumb, you part, and then you take your thumb again, and then you create a similar section. Make sure they're about the same. See that? Make sure they're about the same. And then because we're twisting backwards, we're taking this one to the back, and then we hold it like this. So you do a 2-strand twist down, okay? So you twist it the first time, and then you hold it, okay? So I'm holding it like this. I'm not twisting again. And I go again with my thumb, and I create a similar section, and then I part with this one, and I split it, okay? So I co-join this with this one going under, and I go back to the top like so. All right, so the next one is going to get attached to this. So thumb, create a section, split, yep, and then you join it to the single one, okay? And then there are 2. Okay, so now we have these 2, and then this is all we have left. So I'm going to divide it into 2 again. So 1 like this. It's really simple. My method is super simple. And then you grab and then you join from the one coming underneath, okay? Like this. And then you just join this one to this one, and then you twist. All right, and then you twist. So my 40 hair is super thick, and I'm going to twist. And when I'm done twisting, you'll be able to see what the flat twist looks like. But yeah, super thick hair, this is what we got. So yeah, hang on. Just make sure everything is in there. And then I'm just gonna twist firmly till the end. And then it would be more obvious. Okay, so once you twist to the end, this is what it looks like. You can tell that, look, see how it looks? Okay, so that's 1. And I'm going to show you the second way to twist on this side, which is twisting forward, so you can see the difference side by side. So I'm just going to part now. So it really and truly doesn't matter if your parts are straight, because they're going to get covered up anyway when you're releasing the twist. So it really doesn't matter. So this one, we're twisting forward, and it's the same method. It's just that we're going over, not under. Okay, I'll show you if that doesn't make any sense. All right, so we go in with our thumb again, like so. This is a super easy method, okay? Then go again, similar parts. All right, so we've got 2 similar parts, right? Now, instead of going like so to the back, like that, we are going to go like this. So make sure you pick it from the roots. I've got some really short strands, like everywhere. So yeah, so you just do you do what you do a 2-strand twist first, and then you hold it. Then you go in again, and then with your thumb, you split. Right? Okay? And then you join it to this one as going under, and then you go over. So you do the same thing again. Split with your thumb. Alright? And then join it with the one coming under. And then you go over. So remember to be moving. As you can see, it's twisting, it's coming forward. I hope you can see this. My hair is so thick. And then you go again. I wonder if I should do this with gelling my hair. Maybe it'll be more obvious. I don't know. Okay, so you join this one with this one again. And then you go in. And then you just keep going, like with your thumb. And then you join it to the one that is coming underneath. All right, so the one that's underneath is this one. And then we're going down. Can you see how that's coming forward? And then this one was going backward. Then we're gonna go again. Split. All right. And then we join under. And then this is the final one, so we're joining like that. Okay. Thick hair problems. Invisible flat twists. Okay, but yeah. So that's what it looks like. And that's flat twist going backwards and flat twist coming forwards. Let me just twist it again so you can see it clearly. All right. So if it's popping up like that, you can just easily get a pin, a hairpin or a bobby pin, and just twist it like so, and then put the pin right there and push it up. And then it stays. So this is flat twist coming forward, and then this is flat twist going backwards, all right? So I hope you can see the difference. My hair's super thick. This is type 4 hair. So yeah, so this is going backwards and this is coming forwards. I hope that was super easy and you could understand that. Now the easiest version, I reserve this one for last, and you'll be amazed how simple it is. Should I do it going backwards or coming forwards? I'm not exactly sure. Okay, I'm just gonna split my hair in the middle and I am going to show you how to do it. How would you like it? Should I do it both ways? Okay, let me just part my hair and then come back. Okay, so I've got some waterfall parts. Don't judge me. This is the best I can do for now. And I'm going to flat twist this side down and then flat twist this side down. But I'm going to do these two here again, but with the third method, just to make sure that you guys have a proper clear view. So let me just part it. My hair is shrinking so fast. These moisturizers just be playing me, man. Okay, so I am sweating out my edge control, but that's okay. We have to get on with this tutorial. So yeah, so this part. So what we're going to do is, for this third beginner friendly way of how to flat twist, we're going to twist this side going backwards, but I'm going to show you how. So super easy. All you need to do is pre-part. So instead of going, you know, with the flow, you're going to pre-part. So you're going to just go in with your thumb and part. Then you just like you keep parting, like part every single section of the part that you want to twist, like so. So this is why it's key for your hair to be detangled. But for this pre-part, you can actually like get away with not fully detangling because you're pre-parting. So just keep going on until you have even sections all the way down. Fantastic. Okay, so we have that. And then what we're going to do, let me just tilt this upwards so you guys can see clearly. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a pre-part. You pick one, and then we pick another one. Don't worry, your hair will come off easily because it's already been pre-parted. And then we're twisting backwards, so we're going back. Okay? And then we twist. And then we hold. Then we pick the other one that's pre-parted. See? Comes off really, really easily. And then we join it to the part that is under. So we twist. All right. Now we're going to pick this one and then twist. Okay? Then we pick the other part and then join it to the one underneath and twist. Pick the other part. Trust me, it comes up so easily. And then twist. Okay? Then you pick up the other part and then twist. And then you pick up the final part. Yeah, that's the final one. Pick up the final part and you join it and then you twist. Okay? So I'm just going to turn to the side. So you just 2-strand twist all the way to the end, like we did the other two. Can you see that? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. See that? Absolutely brilliant. So that's how you do the super easy twist. And it's so firm. Can you see that? It's so firm. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'll show you my other camera as well. But let me do this one so you guys can see what it looks like as well. All right, so with this one, it's the same thing. You pre-part, but we're twisting forwards. So it's just going quickly. And then you can pre-part from anywhere, from the beginning or the end. It is just like amazing. It is the best way to learn how to flat twist without struggling so much. And without having to practice over and over and over again. You would get this quicker than most other tutorials about how to flat twist. So you just make sure you go in with your thumb and pre-part properly. Okay. So even if my hair is properly detangled, Fossy hair just loves to hug each other. They just love themselves. Like, come here, my sister. Come here, my lovely. Hug me, hug me. So yeah. All right, so the last one is this one here. And then we're done pre-parting. Okay, so now everything is pre-parted. And then we're picking up. Okay, we're picking up. I hope you can see. Picking up, and then we're picking up the second pre-part. And we are going above. So we're going like so, over. Like so. So we're twisting, and then we stop. You hold that, and you stop. And then you pick. You join that over. And then you twist and stop. And you pick again. You join that. I'm trying to see and then show you guys at the same time. And then you stop, okay? And then you pick again. Told you it comes off really easily. And then you twist and stop. pick again, and then you twist and stop. You pick again, and then you twist and stop, and then you pick again, pick, twist, stop, pick, and twist and stop, and then you twist to the end. Pretty simple, isn't it? You see that's coming forward. Okay, so this is what we got. So this is what we have. Can you see? So these two are going back, and then these two are coming forward. Okay, so this is a lot more firm than this one, so I don't need to put a pin to hold it. And can you see how easy that was? So I'm just gonna twist the two at the back going down. All right, so I've gone ahead to pre-part this part, and I'll show you. So it's also easy to do it behind your head, so that's what I'm trying to show you now.
When it's less than heaven, let's be good. There's no sense in saying shoulda, woulda. When this could be the time of our lives. We could make the best of a bad thing. If we didn't even try, we could flip this situation. And this could be the time of our lives. We could build a world with our heartstrings. If we'd open up our eyes, this could be the time of our lives.
All right, so I'm all done now. You can see. So I've got 4 in front and then 2 at the back. All right, lovely. So this video got a bit too long, so I'm going to stop here, and then for the next video, I'm going to show you the flat twist out takedown. So yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. If you watched all the way till the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And yes, please don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. Have a blessed life. Take care, lovelies. Bye.
Woulda,